Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon.
The 26-year-old award-winning NollyWood actress MaryamBooth becomes a trending topic on Twitter after one of her social media platform users posted the video of the actress naked when she was about to dress up after sex. In the video, it shows the actress is aware of the recording and stopped it moment after she noticed the video was on. We are yet to ascertain the person behind the camera doing the recordings at this time. But from various reports making around on social media is that Senator Uba Sani, a senator representing a constituency in Kaduna, could be the person behind this, because his after sex video was actually leaked online days before this, and a lot of people said maybe because they accuse MaryamBooth for actually leaking his own videos online, and in revenge he decided to leak this one. That is what a lot of people are saying, but we are here to ascertain the person behind this at this particular time.